Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla Ascent Sport, stock reference number 5237. This shape runs from the 12th month 2013 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo, 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.